If you're watching this right now, there's one thing I need you to understand. Compounding is the most powerful force in wealth building. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not some exclusive secret only the wealthy know. It's a system that works for anyone, anywhere, at any income level. Most people underestimate compounding because it feels slow at first. But those who truly grasp its power, they become financially unstoppable, which means attaining financial freedom. And by the end of this, you'll be in that group by knowing compounding secrets that make it work effectively. When people hear compounding, they think about money growing in an account. That's just the tip of the iceberg. Compounding is a universal force. It's working in your life right now, whether you realize it or not. It's either working for you or against you. Think about this. Every tiny action you take, every small decision, every habit, every conversation, it all builds up over time. If you're consistently making good choices, they stack up and snowball into something powerful. But if you're making bad choices, that also compounds, dragging you down. Compounding is happening with or without your permission. The question is, are you using it to get ahead, or is it quietly making your life worse? Most people only think of compounding in terms of money, but the truth is, compounding is a force that shapes every part of life. I recently posted a video on this, so if you haven't watched it, do so as I break down the types of compounding that shape our life. It's not just about making your bank account grow, it's about how small, consistent actions in different areas of your life build up over time, turning into something massive. The most successful people don't just use financial compounding, they leverage it in their knowledge, relationships, habits, and even mindset. Once you start seeing compounding beyond just money, you unlock a whole new level of success. The truth is, compounding doesn't feel exciting in the beginning. In fact, it can feel frustratingly slow. You put in the effort, you make the right moves, and yet nothing seems to happen. You invest money, but your account barely grows. You start working out, but your body looks the same. You build skills, but you still feel like a beginner. This is where most people quit. They assume it's not working because the results aren't instant. But that's the trick of compounding. It's a game of patience, not speed. Think of a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's tiny. It barely picks up more snow. But as it keeps rolling, it grows, slowly at first, then faster, then exponentially. That's how compounding works. In the beginning, you won't see the rewards. But the longer you stick with it, the bigger and faster it builds. Warren Buffett made over 99% of his wealth after age 50, not because he suddenly got better at investing, but because time finally unleashed the full power of compounding. If you quit too early, you never reach that explosive phase where all your effort pays off. Compounding is like a fire. It only grows if you give it the right conditions. You can't just throw a spark and expect an instant blaze. You need fuel, oxygen, and time. In the same way, compounding thrives on three core pillars: time, consistency, and reinvestment. If you remove any one of these, the entire process slows down or collapses. The first pillar, time, is non-negotiable. The longer you let compounding work, the bigger the results. The second pillar, consistency, means sticking to the process even when it feels slow. The most successful people don't stop when they get bored, they keep going. And finally, reinvestment is what supercharges the whole thing. Whether it's reinvesting money, knowledge, or effort, the key is putting your gains back in to fuel even greater returns. Master these three pillars, and compounding will take you to levels you never thought possible. Everyone wants to double their money, but most people have no idea how long it will take or what strategy will get them there. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Your timeline, risk tolerance, and financial goals all play a role in the way you double your money. And the key to accelerating your money's growth is understanding the right compounding rule that aligns with your specific situation, your salary, and your goals. Whether you're looking for steady, reliable growth or an aggressive wealth-building strategy, there's a method that fits your path. There are several compounding rules available to double or even triple your money. I do have several of these on this channel that you can choose from. So, if you would like to get more insights on them, then feel free to go into my channel and get informed on each of the rules. This will enable you to find one that fits your investment goal of doubling your money. The best compounding rule isn't just the one that sounds the most exciting. It's the one that realistically matches your timeline, effort, and financial strategy. If you want to take full advantage of compounding, you need to put your money in the right places. Not all investments grow at the same rate, and some barely compound at all. The key is finding assets that continuously generate returns, reinvesting those gains, and giving them time to multiply. The earlier you start and the more consistently you invest, the bigger the snowball effect. Some of the best places to maximize compounding include index funds, which offer steady growth and reinvested dividends over time, and dividend stocks, where your earnings create more earnings. Real estate can be a powerful compounding tool through appreciation and rental income, especially when leveraged correctly. If you want the highest upside, building a business can create exponential growth by reinvesting profits. And finally, investing in your skills and knowledge provides lifelong returns, because the more valuable you become, the more money you can make and compound. Compounding is powerful, but it's fragile. The same way small, consistent actions can build wealth, success, and personal growth over time, small mistakes can quietly destroy them. The biggest reason most people never see the full effects of compounding is that they unknowingly sabotage it. If you don't protect your compounding, it won't work, no matter how well you start. Here are the top 5 common compounding destroyers. One of the biggest compounding killers is impatience. People give up too soon because they don't see immediate results. Compounding starts slow, and that's where most people quit. Then there's debt, another silent destroyer, which is compounding working against you instead of for you. It makes interest work against you instead of for you, dragging you backward. Lifestyle creep is another silent, compounding destroyer that keeps people stuck, making you spend more every time you earn more, preventing wealth from growing. Procrastination steals your most valuable asset, time. Every year you wait to start investing, learning, or improving, you lose exponential gains. And finally, lack of reinvestment, whether it's pulling money out of investments too soon, not reinvesting for bigger returns, or not reinvesting knowledge and effort, which stops the momentum of growth before it ever gets big. If you want to get rich through compounding and protect your compounding, you need to avoid these mistakes at all costs. Compounding is happening in your life whether you take control of it or not. The small choices you make today, the habits you build, the money you invest, the relationships you nurture, they're all growing in the background. The question isn't whether compounding is happening. Are they working for you or against you? The secret to getting rich, successful, and ahead of 99% of people isn't about chasing overnight wins. It's about setting up unstoppable systems that grow over time. If you start now, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting, you'll look back years from now, realizing that these small, smart decisions made you wealthier, wiser, and more powerful than you ever thought possible.